Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn a flop. Okay, so to find out what this means and how to use it, stay tuned. But first, as always, let's begin with a quick review of last week's lesson. Alright everyone, so imagine I ask you, any idea when the new feature will be ready? And, well, you don't know when it will be ready, but you know that it is in development now. So, how do you say that using the expression from last week, everyone? You've got 5 seconds. Are you ready? Alright, and go. Okay, and time is up. If you said no, but it's in the pipeline, then there you go. That's right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, let's move on to a flop. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Alright, so I'm talking with my good friend and colleague Taro. I asked Taro, so what do people think about the new concept? Okay, maybe we're thinking about a new idea for a new product. We want to get some opinions. We want to get some feedback. Taro says, well, unfortunately, it was a big failure. Okay, well, sorry to hear that, but it's always good to get other people's opinions, right? All right, Taro, so he said it's a big failure. This is fine, but you might hear a native English speaker say this. Yeah, unfortunately, it was a flop. Okay, so whenever something fails spectacularly, it's a flop, okay? So imagine someone's diving, okay? And if you're a very good diver, you enter the water very nicely, no splash, very clean, okay? But imagine you land belly first into the water. It's like smack, okay? That's a flop. It's a really big failure. It's kind of embarrassing. All right, there's a lot of water everywhere. It's not very elegant. It's not very graceful. It's a big failure. It's a flop, okay? So, for example, the movie flopped. The project flopped, okay? The concept flopped. All right? So it's something that's very useful that hopefully you can use. Well, maybe not too often. We don't want many flops, right? Okay, so pronunciation here. All right, so please repeat after me, everyone. Unfortunately, it was a flop. Your turn. Okay, very good. Now, after my question here. So what do people think about the new concept? Unfortunately, it was a flop, okay? All right, so please remember this for next time. Okay, everyone, so our bonus question this week is another way to say, I'm becoming tired. If you know what the answer is, you can leave it in the comments below. If you don't know, but you are curious, you are in luck because we covered it in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons. So take a look if you've got the time. Okay, and that is it for us this week, everyone. Thank you always for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.